Okay, just a short highlight video from Tuesday, back from a 3-day weekend here at GreatStockPicks.com. Not a lot to brag about today, just a bunch of small stuff, but except for Abercrombie & Fitch ANF. These are 5-minute candles. Let me quickly show you the daily first. This has been grinding down several days in a row, so then when it started to sell down to $50 today, I tried to let it bounce. I didn't want to try to grab it at 50 and just hope, so let it bounce. And using a method we teach, made the call as a long idea at 50.43. Somewhere right about there. And a worst case stop below this base. So the stop was 24 cents below, I believe. And 50.43 went up almost $1. Again, on about 20 cents risk, 24 cents risk to be exact. So nice trade there. Again, let me, I can do better arrows. Long was somewhere around here. It went up this high, and the stop was right here. Never got hit. So also LLNW, nice pop early this morning. Again, 5-minute candles. And then when it gave me this little tight base with this high of day just to the left, I told everybody I like this one at 651 if it could get there. This is a high of 650 because the daily chart looked good too. So 651. Really within 5 minutes, 663, and then grinded higher and ended up closing real strong. So here's the daily now. And this could be multi-day, but anyway, 651. I think the worst case stop that I gave the chat room was 645. So 6 cents risk. Didn't exactly tear it up, but from 651 to 677 or wherever it went, 20-cent move, 27-cent move on a $5 stock. Not a bad percentage gain. And then just clear a couple charts that still look good here. Clearwire, CLWR, pretty interesting. We caught the breakout day right here. We had a real nice trade in it. You know what? It's held up pretty well ever since. So this one's worth watching. Not an official call or anything, but this one's worth watching on Wednesday. And one other call, Talbots too, TLB. The mention was on this 640 break. Now it went to 645 and then came back down, so I ended up with a flat trade in it, but the stop was down here, didn't get stopped out, and did make it to 655. Just a flat trade for me, but TLB might have some more in it. After this huge gap down base and another gap down, it looks like it's trying to climb higher here, so something else interesting. And again, I've got a lot of stocks, a lot of charts to look at tonight to build our list for the chat room members for Wednesday morning, but there was just a couple of interesting ones. And also Yellow Roadway, YRCW. This is kind of a weird trader, but this one's getting interesting. So keep your eyes on this one over 410. And we sent this out last week. ARNA is interesting to me over this base still. Didn't get there today, but keep your eyes on ARNA 224. If it can get over this base 224, you just have this one spike to 238. This one could give you a very nice percentage move, and your stop can go below this base. So it could be a real tight stop. Again, I'll find a bunch of other ideas tonight, but there's a few just to share with you. Since we didn't have a whole lot of highlights from today, maybe I can make the video worth something. All right, I'll stop babbling, and we'll follow up with a highlight video from Wednesday's trading in our chat room on Wednesday night. Have a good night.